Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to group text box and picture. So as example, I will insert text box. You can click insert text and then click text box. I will use simple text box. Next, I will insert for the picture. I wish this picture, click insert, resize the picture. And if you want to group this text box and picture, first you need to set the picture into this option in front of text, and then you can select these two objects. Don't forget to press control button to select multiple, and then you can right click, choose the group tools, and then click group. So this text box and picture will be automatically in one group. You also can move the text box by double clicking, and then you can move into another, like into here, and then you can click outside again to replace. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to group text box. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.